In this tutorial video, we will explain the copy pre-op design workflow. This wizard step will start automatically as soon as a pre-op scan is available within the AGLive patient case. Let's have a look how it works.
In the following example case, we are constructing a crown on tooth 26 and we have already scanned the pre-op situation. As you can see on the screen, the Ceramill Mind DRS starts automatically with the wizard step Copy Mirror Tooth. And it has already detected the pre-op scan areas to be copied for this crown. Our options are either to continue with the copy tooth or to use another tooth from the library, or to manually copy or mirror another tooth either from the jaw scan or the pre-op scan. To continue with the copy tooth from the pre-op scan, we simply click on the Next button. This will lead us to the free-forming step, and after doing any modifications that we would like to do, if needed, we can again click on the Next button to proceed with the nesting. In case we would like to optimize the detected pre-op scan area to be copied, then in the step Copy Mirror Tooth, we can simply select the option Correct Selected Area. With this option, we can select or deselect the areas of the pre-op scan which will be copied using a brush. Use left click to mark and Shift and left click to unmark. When the selected area is finished, simply click on Apply. Verify the result and click on Next. Another free-forming step we follow, where we can do the necessary changes, of course if needed, and then by clicking on Next, we go on with the nesting step. If we do not want to copy the pre-op scan, we can ignore the automatic detection by selecting the option No Use Tooth from Library. With this option, the standard design workflow will start with next wizard steps. First, place model tooth. We can choose from the already installed different libraries. We can click Next to proceed to the next step. Free-forming comes as a next step. We can do any optional changes we will need, and then by clicking on Next again, we jump to the last nesting step. Another option would be to manually copy or mirror another tooth either from the jaw scan or the pre-op scan by selecting the option Manually Copy Mirror. If we would like to copy a tooth from the jaw scan, first we have to hide the pre-op scan. Afterwards, we click on the Copy button and then we select the tooth that we would like to copy. The tooth is automatically copied and we just have to move it on the correct position. By clicking left, we can place it on top of the preparation. By clicking on Shift and left mouse button, we can scale the tooth by clicking Ctrl and left mouse button, we can rotate it and place it correctly on the position. If we would like to mirror a tooth from the opposite quadrant, we simply select the mirror option and the tooth we would like to mirror. Afterwards, we move the tooth to the correct position and left click of the mouse to put it in position. Afterwards, we just correct the placement by clicking on Ctrl and left click to rotate it, or just left click to move it in position.